Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the last class we have seen future value techniques. Future value techniques are two types. One is future value at one cash inflow. Second one is future value annuity. Future value clear? Now today we'll focus present value. If you understood future value, present value is almost similar. Formulas are changing. Concept you understood already. On the beginning day when I told you the techniques of calculation of time value of money. So there I have mentioned very clearly. Only formulas and calculations you have to focus. Are you ready? Simple, easy, 5 minutes only you have to focus. You'll understand. Now coming to here, discounting or present value technique. Here we don't call it as the interest rate. We say it as discount rate. Because present value tables we are calculating discount, we are giving discount, so that is why discount rate will say. Okay, discounting or present value technique. This is also divided two parts, just like future value technique. Same like present value of single cash flow, there it was future value of cash flow. Now here present value of cash flow. Second one is present value of annuity, there future value of annuity. Only future is changing into present, that's all. Now today we are going to focus only this concept. So I have underlined this one. This is we'll see later. Okay, focusing this one will make sure will become perfect. Then second one. Now present value of single cash flow. Let me remind you once again. What is this present value of cash flow? Present value we are going to find out for a given one cash flow. Example, after 5 years, I am going to get 5 lakh. After 5 years, I am going to get 5 lakh. But what about the present value? What about the present value? This is the concept. Present value of single cash flow. Single cash flow, no, this is single, only one cash flow. So future value is given, present value how much? If somebody said after 5 years, I'll give you 5 lakh rupees. Okay, that's okay. But what is the rate right now? What is the present value of this 5 lakh? If I have an idea, then I can accept or I may reject or I may keep some conditions. If I have an idea, that is what that idea we say it as a present value of single cash flow. Simple. Formula you have to remember how to calculate. Here is the manual formula. Second one is table formula. Manual formula is very simple. PV is equal to Vn by n plus I to the power of n. PV is present value. Vn means future value n period. How many periods are there? Okay, future value n period by 1 plus I. I means discount rate. Previous one R means rate, interest rate. Here R is converted into I, discount rate. N is number of period. I didn't write anyway. You know it. N means number of years. I'll write it if you want. N is number of years. Simple. This formula if you remember, very easy. Formula is PV is equal to Vn by 1 plus I to the power of n. What do we need here? 3 items only, same like 1. Principal amount. What is the amount you are going to receive in future? This interest rate. What is the interest rate and how many years? 3 items only. If you know 3 items, we can use the formula. And the same one you can go through the present value table also. I explained you very clearly 4 tables are there. Future value 2 tables, present value 2 tables. So total 4 tables are there. Future value tables we have seen. Now present value table. Present value table also 2 types of table. One is present value at the rate of rupee. Second one is present value at the rate of annuity. Annuity means when you go for this method, annuity table of present value we'll see. Right now we'll see present value rupee, simple present value table. So as per the present value table, this is the formula. Present value is equal to future value into future value means 5 lakh I am going to get that one. future value into present value factor. Present value factor, how do you see? What do you need here? Simple, rate of interest or discount rate we need, and also years. If you know these two, you can find out through the table. This is also you know. Okay. Now let's focus on the calculation of this problem. One problem we'll see. The problem is given here. Find present value of 10,000 rupees which is going to be received after 6 years. After 6 years, I am going to get 10,000 rupees. Find the present value of that if the rate of discount is 10%. 3 items you got, na? Principal amount, how many years? 6 years, and discount rate 10%. Let's apply in the formula. What you have to do first? You have to write the formula and also abbreviations. That you do it. I am not writing because anyway I already written. So coming to the solution, write this, abbreviations, then solution. Solution is here, PV is equal to, present value is equal to VN. VN is here 10,000. 10,000 by 1 plus discount rate. Discount rate is how much? 10%. 10% means 0.10 to the power of n. N is how much? 6 years. Calculate it. Manual. This is manual, so we have to calculate it manually. 10,000. Next step, by 1 plus 0.10 means 1.10 to the power of 6. How much you are going to get? I have already written 1.10 to the power of 6, you are going to get 1.7715. Means you have to press it 1.10 into 1.10 into 1.10 like 6 times. If you press, you are going to get this much. Should I? Already I have done. Okay, if you want, you can press and say this is the value you are going to get. So anyway, I'll write the value 10,000 divided by, so this is the value you are going to get, 1.7715. Now we'll use the calculator. Divided by, now 10,000 divided by 1.7715. You'll get 5,644.93. This we are getting. Means present value we are finding out this much. After 6 years, if they pay 10,000, after 6 years, if they pay 10,000, right now this 10,000 value is this much, 5,644.93 paisa. Okay, so this is the value. Now you can take the decision. Is it okay or not? Anyway, this is about the manual calculation. Now let's see the table value also. So as per the table value, what is the formula? PV is equal to future value is 10,000 into present value factor we have to see. How do we see? Rate, discount rate is how much? 10%. How many years? 6 years. We'll see. I have taken present value table. Can you see? Yeah, present value table. Rate is 10%. How many years? 6 years. It's coming to 0.564. Can you see? 0.564. So 10%, 6 years. 0.564. Now multiply and see. 10,000, same answer you are getting, you know the value already. 10,000 into 0.564. It's coming to 5640. Means you didn't take more values. If you get, you'll get same one only. 5640. In my table, it is given only 3 values. If 4 values means you would have gone for 4 also. Almost it is near. So we can say correct it is. Am I clear? Simple way, nothing to worry. Only the thing is you have to understand the formula and how to implement it. That's all. Both the methods we have seen. If you understood, next class we'll focus on the present value annuity. Present value annuity means future you are going to get many inflows. Next 3 years somebody is going to pay you 10,000 3 times. What is the present value? So that we'll see. Okay. Hope it is clear. Next class. Okay. By the way, check out our playlist and follow whatever I have already prepared. Prepare it very well and don't forget to share these videos. Practice well. Good luck.